This is a screencast showing Ratchet Love with the new mockups. This is the URL visionpartners.xtenhost.com/ratchetlove beta/new views. And this is the register page that you come to if you just go to the page. And as you can see, the featured users, it's pulling people from the database. And this is just pulling a random sample of male and female users. Alright, so we can register. So I'm going to put in just a fake email address. Okay. And register. And this will take you to the newly created profile page for Pooh Bear. Now this is just from the old site. I don't know if Cheyenne has finished the new profile mockup, or if we're doing a different profile mockup. This is just from the old one that we had before. And there's not much here because we have to edit this to edit the profile, and that's not built into the new mockups yet. Okay, so I logged out manually from where I had registered before earlier in the screencast. The log out button is not yet added to our nav bar. So this is just we're going to go to the sign in page now. And we did Pooh Bear at Disney.com. Just sign in. And this is a home page. Cheyenne has sent the new home page. I have not yet added the new home page layout to I have not yet implemented that yet. So that shows where we are right now in this screencast.